Hey, you've likely been hearing a lot about Industry 4.0. Perhaps you've even heard about SMARTFACTOry from PCG. Today's your lucky day. Did you know by 2024, 50% of manufacturing solutions will synchronize industrial Internet of Things platforms to provide near real-time transaction management? Today, despite a $2 trillion annual spend, humans are responsible for 75% of the failures. Wow, what does that cost your business? Sure, every shop floor faces unique challenges, however, the negative impact can be minimized. PCG Smart Factory, powered by Tulip, delivers your future right now. Leap forward to a fully connected enterprise with responsive manufacturing for NetSuite. Smart Factory leverages NetSuite's native functionality to conquer those challenges, seamlessly integrated for an efficient, effective user experience that scales to your needs. PCG, Tulip, Smart Factory, Booth 915. See you at SuiteWorld.